Hello guys, so I have to give away this bone blossom. So late, sorry, it has so late. This bone blossom, it is, I wanna check. It worth it it has value in wait 2 trillion. So have a more, but that is not right. And this is a burning, but that is lower volume, but it's okay. So just comment your username and subscribe and like. Thank you.